Okay guys, on August 13, 2022, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So now you can see that we have a mature plant of red stem crassula, or it is botanically also called as the crassula rubricaulis. Okay, now you can see that we have a main stem and a lot of substems are there. Okay, you can see that we have taken one of our stem, that is substem. Okay, now we need to remove its leaves. Okay, and we can propagate this plant from the leaves as well. Okay, so we will just take these leaves very carefully. Okay, so that the part where the leaf is being attached with the stem must be intact with the leaf. Okay, only in this way we can propagate a plant from this leaf. Okay, but in this video we are just going to propagate it from the stem cuttings. Now we have got our first cutting. Okay, now we will place our leaves on right hand side. Okay, now we will take our second cutting, and this is our second cutting. Now we will remove its leaves. Now you can see that I am removing leaves very carefully, like this. Okay, and one more cutting. Okay, like this. You should have to remove the lower leaves. Why it is so? Because when we will put these cuttings within the media or soil, the lower leaves will get intact with the soil or media, and can cause some sort of rot which can propagate to the entire plant. Okay, so now we have three of our cuttings. Now we will go for our fourth cutting. Let's take our fourth cutting like this. Okay, now this is our fourth cutting, and now we are just removing the lower leaves, as it is the essential process for the multiplication or propagation of the succulent plants. Okay, now some more cuttings are there. We are just searching for more cuttings, if we can get or not. Okay, now at least we have 4 cuttings. Okay, so we have to leave them for some days. Okay, on August 17, 2022, after some days, when our cuttings will become healed and dried. Okay, now you can see that we have our cuttings and our leaves. Okay, now we have prepared our media by mixing 1 part of simple garden soil and 1 part sand, construction sand. Okay, so this is our now fill this media with the now fill the pot with this media. Okay, and now we will put media in the second one. Now put the media within the third pot. Okay, Now our third part is ready. Now why we have added the sand? Because we want to make a good drainage. Because we want to make a good drainage part, okay? So because our sand, construction sand, will help us to will provide a good property of drainage, okay? Good drainage, okay? Now we will put our plant, the stem cuttings like this, although it is not good, okay? You should have to pour first some water, but as it is damp, so I do not use to care much. Okay, now we will put our cutting, because our media is a little bit moist already, so that's why we are just putting it out, okay? We are just putting these cuttings inside the media. Okay, this is our third one. Okay, at this time we just have these 3 pots, so that is why we will just put them. Okay, and one more thing, that you will get the real results, okay? And obviously for these results we have to wait for months, okay? Not for days, but for months, okay? So because in winter the plants used to get dormant, so that is why. Okay, we will also put some leaves, okay? So if there is some sort of like progress then in the leaves, then I will show to you, okay? Okay, now we have placed our cuttings like this. We will water them. Okay, on February 21, 2022, that after several months, okay? Now you can see that we just got our plants. I have put some labels, okay? And these labels, oh yeah, these one. And in October 2022, there is a severe hailstorm, and under this hailstorm our glasses used to break, okay? Yeah, it is very much okay. So okay, now we will put our plant, like put our plant out like this, and it is one single plant, okay? Maybe the third plant is there in my main nursery, but I just got these 2 plants with the green tag, because I just put these green tags for my which are my results, okay? Now you can see there is a lot of roots, okay, and a good root ball, okay? So, and there is a lot of growth on the stem side as well, okay? So these plants are ready, and they are obviously, since like August, there is like August, September, October, November, December, January, and then this is February, okay? So a lot of months, okay? So now, because for about 2.5 months, like December, January, and up to 15 February, the plants used to be a full dormant, okay? So these are our results. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.